18 degrees in Central Texas. Oh my God. It's crazy. It's too cold. Pandemonium agrees. Yeah, baby. It's a great day for a nap. Oh, you all sassy. You're sassy. Okay. All right. Hey, I'm tired too. I get it. I get it. All right. Night night, Panda. All right. We got our little touring on R9 action there. I do like that style of rig. Hey, 64. Pretty good. Pretty good. Let's see how the snow show is out here. Not so much the snow, but the cold. Oh my gosh. Oh, we're closing that. Yikes. No, sir. Oh, that's wild. That's wild. We were just 86, 88 Fahrenheit not too long ago. So, like a 70-degree temperature drop. Ooh, what a nice office. Let's go look at that. We got some Ravens going there. And we got some Xanos going there. We've got some Block X's going there. And of course the Moneros. What did we get down here? 67. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. And let's see, we've got... Oh, that's pretty. We've got our Tourings out here. A couple R9s and an R7 over there. Dirty garage. And... Oh, 5950. So let's see how warm the garage is. Hey, 67. That's pretty good. Alright, well if you're not doing crypto heat, you're doing it wrong. Alright, happy hashing y'all. All the best.